Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Abdominal Wall. Let's begin. Okay, now let's take tabletop pose. Palm heel underneath your shoulders, knee open about the hip distance, and today toes straight down. And from here, inhale, drop your belly, look up. And as you exhale, zip your core, belly button up, belly button touch, almost squeeze to the belly, to the spine. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, walk on abdominal wall. Inhale. Exhale, round spine through tailbone to the crown. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze abdominal, belly button to the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And zip around your belly button. And back to neutral. And from here, right leg straight. And make sure engage your core and left hand straight. Balance tabletop pose. Keep hips square, shoulders away from ears. And zip your core and belly button squeeze into the spine. And down, let's do the other side. As a leg up, as a hand, keep hips square, shoulders away from ear. Here, squeeze in, scoop and up. Scoop and lifting. Your core, scoop and lifting. As if you are try to make C curve around your belly. And relax. And from here, tuck your toes in and gaze drift slightly forward. Inhale, exhale, lift your entire whole body up. Here, don't drop your belly, belly button squeezing concave to the spine. Stay there. You can do it. And slowly bringing your knees down. And shift your hips to the side. Take a little break if you need to. Relax your necks. And from here, tuck your toes. Inhale, exhale, lifting up. And from here, knee squeeze to the nose. Belly button to the spine. Zip up your core. Zip up your belly button. Keep breathing. Keep your knee high up toward your chest. And down. Let's do the other side. Inhale, exhale, lifting up. Try to squeeze abdominal. Scoop up, up, up toward your back. And slowly down. And find your way to come to seated pose. Make sure to keep your sitting bone down, tailbone pointing to the floor. And from here, we're gonna do modified Navasana boat pose. Hug your back of your knee and keep your chest open. And from here, both leg up. And keep your knee bent. And from here, point your toes and one toes touch the floor and up. Touch and together. Ready? We're gonna repeat this exercise. Make sure hollow, scoop your belly and belly button to the spine. And ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Bonus 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. And now relax. Okay, let's lay down on your back. Take few moments, take few breaths, couple of breaths. And from here, bend your knee and few bar. Okay, to create about your knee 90-degree angle. Your shin and then your thigh femur is creating 90-degree angle. And from here, interlace your hands behind, press behind your head. Inhale, exhale, slowly, slightly tuck your chin here and keep 90-degree angle here. And then point your toes. And toes touch and alternate as a leg touch. Ready? We're gonna repeat this exercise. Make sure to breathe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to hollow, scoop and lift. Okay? Belly button pointing down to the mat. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Concave your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And relax. Couple of breaths to catch a breath. Okay, now straighten both knees. Okay, now left knee hug to your chest. And from here, flex other leg, flex your right heel, right toes. And from here, keep pressing your heel, like shooting out, like thrusting, and thrust and lifting up. Okay? And tuck your chin, forehead close to your knee, and concave your core. Try to feel the abdominal wall and stay there 5 deep breaths. Stay there. Stay with me. You can do it. And now slowly bring your head down, bring other leg down, straighten your knee. Few breath. Now let's do the opposite side. Hug your knee to your chest. Flex your left toes and heel thrusting out, away from your own body and lifting up. Tuck your chin, concave your core, belly button pressing down to the mat. 5 deep breaths here. Hollow. And after 5 deep breaths, slowly bring your chest head down and bring the left leg down and straighten your right knee. Couple of breaths. Okay, now let's take Supta Pada Konasana. So roll your feet together, drop your knee to the side. And tuck your chin, interlace your hands behind. And from here, try to shorten your elbow to the knee this way. Ready? So we're gonna work on this exercise. Maybe 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really hollow belly button, press down, concave your belly, concave and lifting. Down, press down and lifting. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now relax your head, slowly bring it down and release your hands. And from here, let's press your hands about around belly button. And inhale and exhale, let it go. This sequence is designed to strengthen your abdominal wall. I recommend you do it every other day. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!